Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a bag making tutorial. In my previous tutorial I showed you all the measurements and cutting. This I have cut on a canvas according to the measurement. This is 14 by 17. This will be a back panel, and this one will be bag's front panel for the design. So these are two pieces, and these two are lining in inner side of the bag. This is pressed properly to the cloth. Keep the canvas adhesive part on the reverse side of the cloth and press it. That's it. This one I'll be using it for inner zipper pocket. This one I'll use it for outer zipper pockets. One piece for partition, that is 13 by 8. I'll be using one more strip of cloth because I just want to stitch all over, leaving about half an inch seam allowance, and turn it so that it becomes like this for partition. Okay, and these two are top panels measuring 2 by 17 inches. These two are top panel, and these are zipper panels to each side. At the end I have folded about quarter inch more than 0.4 inch folded and pressed it. It goes like this. Both should be in equal measurements, both the ends. So press it that way. Keep all these things ready. And I'll show you a handle. This is a handle. Only this one I will show you how to press this. See, fold it, press. This is pressed. We have to put a top stitch on either side. It becomes a cloth handle. If you have a ready handle, you can use. I'll be showing you in a cloth itself. This was about 5 inch in width, and length I've taken a 38. Later you can shorten it if you want to, like standard ready bag handle will be about 26 inches, but it's up to you how lengthy you want, you can make it. Only this portion I will show you how to press this for a bag handle. Yeah, now the iron box is heated up. Now what I do, just fold it in half, exactly half. Then press it. All the way till the end. Like this. Now open this till this crease, again fold it halfway like this. For cloth bags I prefer handles in cloth itself. So, and some use resin ones that is readily available. Somehow I am happy with the cloth itself because this will be completely washable and no scratches. Now turn it to other side. Again keeping the center crease, fold till the center crease, and again press like this. Now fold it in the center. See to that one edge comes directly on the other edge. Now again press it. That way your work will be neat. That's it. These are two handles. If you think handles are too plain, you can go for ready straps. This I am using a poly tape which goes well with my combination. So you can just keep it in the center, put a stitch. Or if you have a combination cloth, cut a strip of cloth and keep it in the center and you can stitch it. Since I have a ready tape, I'll be using this like this. It's up to you, it's your creativity. You can even embroider something on the handle. You can even fix some eyelets. It's totally up to your creativity. Okay, now I'll show you how to make front panel design. Okay, for this front panel with the box split, I'm showing you how to make that. I've taken 25 by 14 inch piece, one in main fabric and one in inner fabric. This is 5 inch in length and this is also 5 inch. I'll show you. From this corner 5 inch and down also 5 inch I've taken. I've given a shape here. So I will just take corner to corner. Okay. Join the two corners, cut on the marking. Now when you open it, it looks like this. So keep the lining cloth facing right side up and keep the main fabric facing right side down. Now put a stitch about half an inch on both the sides, half an inch. Start from here, go in a curve and end it here, half an inch, seam allowance. The other corner also same thing, just put it. Okay, I will put a stitch and come back show you. Okay, now I have put a stitch here on both the sides and now I'm going to cut it. since these are in round shape, it's better to give notches till the stitch line. Do it on the other side also. Now I have put the notches. Now turn this out. Both the sides. Like this it comes. You can do the top stitch on this and a decorative stitch on here also. You can do it and stitch all the edges, basting stitch you put. Now I have put a top stitch. I've used contrast stud, so both the sides I did. This I'm using a bit thick thread for bags, and I'm using 18 number needle for that. You can do with a normal needle like 16 or 14 also, depending on the width, thickness of your cloth. Since I'm using denim and I'm using canvas with that, so I am using 18 inch. Cut out all the extra edges. Okay, now fold it in center. Put a notch here and on top also put a notch. This also put one notch. Take your 14 by 17 piece, which is with a combination cloth, and make a mark here also, center marks. Take its center point, up and down. Put a notch on the other side also. Put a notch. Yes. Now I'm going to stitch like this. You have to match the notches here. Like this. Here also the notch will come. So whatever is extra here, that we will adjust that as box pleat, like this. And here also same thing. Like this you need to adjust this box pleat. Here also you should match the center notch. Yes, exactly, you get. Press it properly Can you see? Put a stitch here and a stitch here, and I have taken one strip of cloth. This is 17 by 2 inches. I have not put any canvas or paper canvas to this. Just stitch it on this, giving it like a border. Now you can make out. This width of this box plate, you can decide. You can keep it 2 inches. According to the size of the bag, I have kept it 4 inches in width. So I have taken 8 inch extra cloth. So put a stitch here on top and on this border top stitch, and here one stitch. Fix it to this will be treated as front design. So you'll have a pocket here, and you can put something inside also. Hope you understand this part. It's pretty simple.